Check it out, boys. Listen, pal. Slam a few armor shakes on here today, buddy. Here's something that just drives me nuts, pal. The lads put these on, and they got all these freaking rows lined up. They install it so that 5 out of 6 line up, boys. Listen, you're not supposed to step this. You don't 45 this. What you do is you put your bottom row on, then you just start in the middle. You just randomly come in here, slam one in spot where it looks really good. Search for that butter zone. Boom, right there. Now this stuff's really hard to click together, boys. You just get it started a little bit. If you can get it started like that, you can use the old trusty hatchet. Pop that into place. And I'll come back across, double check it each. I'll go like that. I'll actually use the tape, come across, make sure I got that all clicked in how she should be, boys. Bada bing, bada boom. And then I'll finish backfilling this end out, and I'll finish each run out. That way, boys, each row staggered exactly how we want it, pal. No messing around, no mess in the kitchen, buddy. Pfft, carry on.